Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is Sir Mohsin. I welcome you with another lecture. In this lecture I am going to teach you from section vocabulary and usage, lesson number 1. So let's get started. What do you have to do? Exercise A, formation of verbs. Form a verb with each word and use the verb in a sentence. So you have to make verb, then use that verb in your sentence. For example, beginning. So verb should be begin. He began his composition with an amusing anecdote. So you have to make your own sentence. Okay, for example, large. So here are some examples. Large. I have made a sentence. Large. So verb should be enlarge. He always enlarges his knowledge. Okay, enlarges, it has different meanings. Mean expand, spread. Okay, expand as well. फैलाना, वसत देना. Standard. So verb is standardize. My father standardizes his work. Okay, as a verb you have used this word in a sentence. Now cheaper. So verb is cheapen. My mother cheapens the price. Okay, cheapens. So here cheapen is a verb. My mother cheapens the price when she buys vegetables. Okay, कम करना, घटाना, सस्ता करना, किसी चीज़ को कम करना, कीमत कम करना. Next, part B. Suitable adjectives. What do you have to do? Provide a suitable adjective for each word and use the phrase in a sentence. First you have to use this word as an adjective, means by putting a word that will become adjective, then use that phrase in your sentence. For example, dash village. So what should be here? Dash village. You can use here as I am giving you some examples. Dash village, as you can see, distant village, distant office. Okay, distant village or good village or near village, different words. Okay, their next word is shift. So second shift, first shift, you can use different words. Second shift, first shift. Another, delicious. Okay, so delicious food, delicious biryani. Okay, there are different words, as you can see here. Delicious food. Okay, here near village, far village, you may use your own way. Dash power, dash power. Okay, electrical power, or may use different words. Dash job, nice job, firm job, excellent job. Now let's do part C. One word for many. Rewrite each sentence replacing the words in bold printing with a single word. As you can see, there are bold words, so you have to use a single word which will present these whole words. ये सारे वर्ड्स को जो एक वर्ड प्रेजेंट करे वो क्या होना चाहिए. ओके, ये वन वर्ड फॉर मैनी कहलाता है. सो एग्जाम्पल, माई मदर बॉट स्पिनच, कैबेज, लेटस एंड कॉलीफ्लावर. ये सब क्या है? दीज ऑल आर फ्रूट. oh sorry, these all are vegetables. Okay, so one word here should be my mother bought vegetables. ओके, एक वन वर्ड ने तमाम वर्ड्स को एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. माई मदर बॉट वेजिटेबल्स एट द मार्केट. मदर बॉट वेजिटेबल्स एट द मार्केट. नाउ शी गेव द पोर्टर अ टिप फॉर कैरिंग हर सूटकेस, बैग एंड ट्रंक. सो क्या वर्ड होना चाहिए इधर इन सब वर्ड्स की जगह? जैसे हमने वर्ड यूज़ कर लिया लगेज. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर वर्ड क्या आ जाएगा इन सब की जगह? लगेज. कैरिंग हर luggage. The two friends always talk about robins, sparrows, kingfishers and skylarks when they get together. So these all are birds. So आपने इनकी जगह क्या यूज़ कर देंगे? You will use here birds. Talk about birds when they get together. Okay, lizards, tortoises, crocodiles and snakes. ये सब क्या हैं? These all are reptiles. So here should be reptiles are cold blooded. Okay, so you have to use different words. Okay, all the other sentences you have to do yourselves. Next, let's do part D. Differences between words. What is the difference between word? You have to do exercise. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with the word in brackets. Okay, there are words in brackets. You have to use them in each blank, but you have to be very careful that in which blank you have to use a correct word. For example, the eminent. Here, the eminent scientist warned that an earthquake in the region was imminent. Okay, next, the writer is very dash. So here should be, I have written here, for example, here should be number 1 imaginary. Sorry, the writer is very imaginative. The writer is very imaginative. He wrote an interesting story about life of an imaginary planet. So there should be imaginary. Next, have you been dash in going dash this manuscript? Number 1. So here should be thorough. Have you ever been thorough in going? Then next, through. So in second blank there should be through this manuscript. Next, dash tribes inhabit this island of dash vegetation. So in number 1, island of various vegetation. Sorry, various tribes. Number 1 should be various tribes inhabit. Then island of varied vegetation. Rest of the sentences you have to try. Okay, so lecture ends here. Inshallah I will meet you with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.